Hello there mga kabatak! Tutorial na naman po tayo. And today po, I will show you po on how to make a simple premiere po in your YouTube channel. So you don't have to go to your YouTube channel dashboard like that. So we will just go directly to YouTube. So first po, i-upload po natin yung video na gusto po natin i-premiere. And let's start mga kabatak. Just open your YouTube icon. Ayan. Then, upload video. Yeah. So, I am going to upload this video. And title as well. So, for example, we have to make it simple and fast mga kabatak. So, for example, OFW box. Description. This is how we send cargo box to Philippines. So, just make it short, but you can add it later. Then, no, it's not made for kids. And this is the most important mga kabatak. After description, we have to tap public here. If you want to make it a premiere mga kabatak, just tap private and then schedule. So when do you want to schedule your premiere? So for example, I want to schedule it on August 29 by 6:45 p.m. and then set as premiere. Very easy po. Oops, don't cancel. Location. This is the another most important mga kabatak. Just put the location, then playlist. So my playlist will be OFW Talks. Ayan, and then now we can start uploading mga kabatak. And let's check it here in library. So it's uploading. It's there. So just wait to upload the video mga kabatak. It's very simple lang po talaga mga kabatak using your Android mobile phone. And here mga kabatak, it's ready. So let's open po. Ayan, check natin siya. Your channel. And the video. So the premiere is here. If you want to set a reminder, ayan mga kapatak, it is premieres in 53 days, August 29, 6:45, and you already tap reminder on. So we have to wait only for this, and then mga kabatak, you have to edit po also yung tags nito. So for example, let's put tags. Let's put the tags. Go to edit. Ayan. Let's put tags for example, OFW box cargo for families. Ayan mga kabatak, it's up to you po whatever tags you will put. And then we have to press save. Ayan, so you already have a one waiting premiere mga kabatak. Sana po nakatulong ang video na ito and marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa muli.